Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize client retention with Follow-Up Boss, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize client retention using Follow-Up Boss, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your leads and clients. Familiarize yourself with the key features of Follow-Up Boss. Identify the clients you want to prioritize for retention. Segment your clients based on their engagement and transaction history. Use tags to categorize clients who may need follow-ups or specialized outreach. Create a follow-up schedule tailored to each segment. Utilize the automation tools within Follow-Up Boss to streamline your outreach. Set reminders for manual follow-ups that require a personal touch. Craft personalized email templates for each client segment. Incorporate personalized video messages to enhance engagement. Monitor client interactions with your emails and messages through the platform. Use the reporting features to analyze client behavior and engagement metrics. Adjust your follow-up strategies based on the data insights you gather. Consider sending surveys to gather feedback from your clients. Use feedback to improve your services and client experience. Develop loyalty programs or incentives for long-term clients. Schedule regular check-ins with clients to foster personal relationships. Use Follow-Up Boss to track all communication history for each client. Stay consistent with your follow-up processes to reinforce client trust. Regularly review your follow-up strategies and adapt as needed. With these steps, you can efficiently optimize client retention through Follow-Up Boss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.